The way you can communicate to your partner about needs that you have always had, are now having because you're changing, is to have a communication with them outside the bedroom. This way it brings a lot of defensiveness down, and you can really articulate what you've been feeling. What I tell couples is to start from the I statements. I've been feeling this and this and this, and I really would love it if we could start to have sex more frequently in the mornings because I have more energy there. Is there any way we can plan that or create that time? Another thing you can do is to write things down that you've always wanted to do, and then switch papers, so each of you do that as a little project, and then you can meet and talk about it. It's important not to laugh about something that your partner wants to do because you really don't want to make them feel embarrassed. There's enough shame to go around that people feel about sex. You don't want to increase that when you have these conversations.